What's up, baseball fans? Welcome to another Chi-Town Daily News podcast. It's Mike DePilla. I'm Mike McGuire. We're kind of doing a little autopsy of the White Sox here.
What are you talking about, Mike? This is the biggest story in the majors right now.
Oh, big
Come
time.
on. The race for the number one pick?
Absolutely. Ozzy's turning it into a story with his antics about his contract extension. Screw him. What do you think about Ozzy's new contract?
I think that's what the Sox offense looks like. That's
Yeah,
falling
no
all over
kidding.
the place. I actually like the fact that he's extended, or I like the fact that he's still the manager, because you saw what happened with the Cubs and Dusty Baker.
Mhm.
That's ugly. The lame duck manager situation is bad.
Not good.
And I like Ozzy. I think he's
Well,
still
you
the
think
man
these
for the
kids are
job.
still playing? I mean, it seems like the
No,
Sox
I
have
don't
gone in
think
the
he is.
tank when they have nothing to win for. And
Because
I think
they
it's
don't
Ozzy's job to motivate those guys.
Motivate what? Like me and you, we could be playing out there and doing just as well as the players he has. He doesn't have the horses right now.
Yeah.
He has nothing. He's
Another
playing
Dustyism.
Andy Gonzalez at third base every day. He can't expect anything else out of him. So I'm okay with him coming back. The only thing is that, man, they extended him all the way to 2012.
Yeah.
It's like 5 years from now. That's a long time.
I envisioned Ozzy to burn brightly, especially after they won the series, and burn out quickly. I think it's a
And it
surprising
still
move.
might
I think he's
happen.
going to ruffle a lot of feathers before that 5 years is
Still
up.
might happen. He's not going to get fired. I guarantee you that.
Well,
But
maybe.
Nah, Jerry Reinsdorf's not going to fire him.
Not over anything that's
Pain.
happened to this point, but if he does some stupid shit down the road, I don't think he's untouchable.
Nah, I don't think he's going to get fired. I don't think anyone's going to get fired from this team. I think Kenny Williams and Ozzie Guillen both have pretty much blanket support from the owner, Jerry Reinsdorf.
Yep.
Now, in general, who do you blame for this kind of a debacle?
I mean,
this
it
season?
pains me to say it because of the choking thing he did to us, and he busts our balls, on the Cubs side of town. Ozzy's a good baseball man. He's a good guy at the top, and I'm happy for Sox fans that they got him. That being said, somebody's got to be held responsible for the Sox quick fall from world champions to the worst team in baseball.
Yep.
Who's that in your opinion?
I really think Kenny Williams did
Yeah,
a pretty
I'm with you there.
bad job putting this team together. And you look at his
Absolutely.
track record, 05 was great.
That's it.
Did a great
That's
job.
it.
But he's been on the job since 2001.
Mhm.
That's
One playoff
7 years.
appearance.
One playoff appearance. And everything else has been underachieving. Right now, he has the highest payroll in the American League Central, and he's in last place.
And the
How do you
cupboard's
explain
bare,
it?
too. You
Right.
look at the minor league system, and the Sox are, according to Baseball America, in the toilet.
Yeah, there's no position prospects down there. And I think he's the guy that's got to be held accountable.
So do you think he's on the chopping block? Do you see his job in jeopardy?
No, I don't see anyone's job in jeopardy, unfortunately. I think I'll give him another year myself. I'll give him this offseason to realize, okay, this lineup of going Tommy, Konerko, Przynski, Crady, all the slow guys
The
in a row
slowest
isn't
fat
going to
guys in a row. Yeah, no kidding. You
Not
got to
gonna
have a
work.
mix.
Not gonna work.
Absolutely.
So I'll give him one more offseason. I think Greg Walker, though, has to go.
Yeah.
And one other point is that you've got Ozzie Guillen's coaching staff is all his old buddies from the 80s.
Mhm.
Greg Walker and Harold Baines and Joey Cora. Is there any accountability on that staff?
Who the hell
You
knows?
know, is Ozzie holding their feet to the fire at all?
it
or
seems
is
like
this
Don
buddies?
Cooper can do no wrong either.
Yeah.
I mean, it might be a little bit of a different boys club, but still, you never hear Coop come under heat for a lot of lofty ERAs.
And-
John Garland struggles. Contreras had an ugly
Not
second
to
half.
mention Thornton and the whole
Oh,
bullpen.
Absolutely.
I agree. I like Cooper still. I think that Greg Walker has to go.
I
I'm not
would
a
say
big
he's
Joey
on the
Cora
chopping
fan
block before Coop, yeah.
either. Yeah.
All right, so just spitballing here. 2008, the White Sox win another 61 games or whatever. What do you do?
61 games were in big trouble.
Yeah.
I would get rid of Kenny Williams. If they come back next year and win less than they've won this year in an attempt to win next year, they're not trying to rebuild, mind you.
Mhm.
They want to go for it again next
Sure.
year. If they win 65 games or whatever, then he's got to go. In the meantime, half of his staff has to go anyway. Walker's got to go. I would say even Baines and Cora should go.
Well, that's bold talk from one of my favorite Sox fans over here. For Mike DePilla, I'm Mike McGuire, saying it's going to be interesting to see where this thing goes on the sell side.
Throw myself off lookout, man.